Hi, I'm Eileen and welcome to WIG Studio 1. Today I want to show you Ellen Wille, part of the Hair Power collection. This is Cocoa in Salt Pepper Mix, 5139.44. Okay, this is such a cute out-of-the-box pixie style, throw on and go. Really updated. Love these choppy layers. So if you want to see the rest of this video, just keep watching. Okay guys, let's talk about Ellen Wille Cocoa and Salt Pepper Mix, 5139.44. Okay, right out of the box pixie style. You know, I'm telling you, I'm loving gray hair. And I think for the summer this is going to be cute, but I also think I like it just with a turtleneck like this for the spring and fall. And I don't know, I just am enjoying gray hair. I think it's beautiful. I think I see now why it's so popular, why so many people are wearing it, and I'm just getting into it as well. Okay, so Cocoa. I love these layers. Choppy layers with bangs. Perfect, out of the box, throw on and go. Let me show you the back. So cute, nice nape, of course, with stays. Keep it close to your neck. It's perfect. I like these layers, and this is how I styled it. Exactly like this. I took it out of the box. I started running my hands through it. I'm definitely going to get some styling cream in here, spike it up on the top a little bit. I like the bangs, but I tell you, I think I would like it just up and off my face too. That gives it a real modern flair, really edgy, cute. Just pull it up off your face with that beautiful Ellen Wille lace front. Okay, let's talk about this color. Okay, let's talk about this color, Salt and Pepper Mix. Let me get up here so you can see it. Ellen Wille describes this as light natural brown with 75% gray, medium brown with 70% gray, and pure white blend. You can see the dimension, the different colors. The white is concentrated around the face, which is my favorite way that Ellen Wille does their highlighting. I think it's so pretty to put this white to brighten up your face, right around your face. And then, of course, running it throughout with the different shades of brown. Light natural brown and medium brown with the pure white blend. That is how they describe it. Okay, very nice. I like the feel of this wig. As you know, Ellen Wille wigs run a petite average. This fits me pretty snug. I have a 21¼ inch circumference head, so I'm going to say if you have much larger than that, this probably will not work for you. It is a good, snug fit on me. This also comes in 15 shades, so that's good. They have a little larger shade range on this wig. Has a nice price point. Ready to wear. Piecey, choppy bangs. Great summer pixie. Okay, I'm going to slip it off and we'll look at the inside of the cap. Okay, so let's look at the inside of Cocoa. Beautiful Ellen Wille lace front, as always. Closed front cap, but it does have a little mono crown. This keeps the price point down here. Open wefted. Closed ear tabs with stays. Extended nape with Velcro adjusters. Okay, let me show you the color. Salt and pepper. Again, you can see how much lighter it is in the front than in the back. Okay, I'll slip it back on and we will talk about the specs. Okay, the specs for Ellen Wille Cocoa. The bang is 3.25. I think that is a nice length bang. Crown 3.5. Sides 2. Nape 2. And it weighs 2.3 ounces. Really good specs. I like these bangs. And like I said, you don't have to wear them. You can pull it up and off if you prefer to show that lace front. All you'd need is just a little styling cream to do that, to get it up off your face. But I don't know, for some reason on this one, I just like the bangs. I think because they're a nice length. I haven't trimmed it. I haven't done anything to this wig at all. Okay, that is a look at Ellen Wille Cocoa and Salt and Pepper Mix. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that review of Ellen Wille Cocoa and Salt Pepper Mix. I think it's such a cute wig. I think it's great for, really it's an all year round wig. It'd be cute with a turtleneck, it's cute with a white shirt, so I think you could wear it all year round, and I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, check out the Wig Studio One Facebook group and jump on over to wigstudio1.com for this wig and many others. If you use the coupon code BEAUTIFULYOU, you can receive 30% off on most styles. There are some exclusions, so check us out at wigstudio1.com. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.